Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch Review. The markets returned from the weekend with more risk appetite. The dollar is more attractive than ever as bonds and equity are rising. Advancement of the Indian bourses, China, Hong Kong, and South Korea. Stoxx 600 in Europe is now up 0.5%, extending its recovery into a third session. Futures in the USA are slightly higher than 1%. Sterling leads the major currencies higher today with around a 1% gain. The greenback trades lower against all major currencies, but is almost flat against the Japanese yen. After falling almost 3% last week, gold has stabilized. It is now close to $1,660. The December WTI has not changed. After rallying 16% last week, it fell 7.3% last Wednesday. Asian Pacific market. Some believe that the Bank of Japan might be quietly intervening and reading into the Bank of Japan's daily balances. This could lead to the possibility that it may have sold a little more than $7 billion in order to protect the yen. Last month's first intervention was almost $20 billion. The Bank of Japan intervened but had little impact. The dollar was JPY 148.85 higher than October 13th, which was more than half a yen. Today, it is just below 148.80 by a little more than half a yen. The Australian dollar reached a new marginal high in the week before the weekend, but then reversed and settled at $0.6200. Although it is trading with a stronger bias today, it was stuck at 0.6250 in European morning. Market of Europe. Although most media coverage has been focused on Asia, there are some who believe the SNB may have secretly sold dollars at Swiss franc 1.00. It is believed that the SNB has become particularly hawkish in order to resist currency weakness. The euro managed to hold above its pre-weekend low of $0.9710. It gained nearly half a penny during the European morning. It is now threatening with a consolidative tone. The highs of Friday and Thursday were slightly above $0.9800, and that remains the cap. Sterling rose around 1 cent in the European morning at $1.1275. To lift the tone and signal a retest of the 1.1500 region, the high at the end last week was 1.1380. Market of America. The robust September employment data was followed by a stronger than expected CPI and respectable retail sales. The core CPI has reached a new high. Headline inflation is higher. Today's October Empire State Manufacturing Survey will be available. No Fed officials are scheduled. Tomorrow's Bostic and Kashkari talks will be followed by Wednesday's Beige Book. The Canadian dollar can be helped by stronger equities, which could help to reverse the 1% drop last week. Today, the US dollar is at CAD 1.3880. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.